Hello friend, today I am going to show you how to get YouTube subscriber on your channel. First, you need this app. This is here, you will see Support Shop Pro. It is free from Play Store. You need to go to Play Store and then search on Shop for Shop. And here you will see here is that app. You need to download and install it. It is free from Play Store. You don't need to pay any money for this app. And then open it, and you need to connect your account. I'm telling you, you need to connect that account, which account is your YouTube account. Okay, then it will work. Okay, then here is my point is 0. I have already connected with account, so I don't need to connect more. And here you will see you need point for coin for that. If you want to buy, you will buy from the payment. In here you will see, if you want to buy this, and you will buy it. And I don't need to buy, I will go to Shop for Shop, then it will give you free coins. You need to free coins, then you need to go to favor channel. Tap on favor channel, here you will see, and go to view it. And you need have come like notification come like this, then tap on OK. Then it will load, and here you will see, please watch video until the counting finish. You need to 20-second view in any videos, and then tap on subscribe, then it will work. Okay, I have already subscribed this channel, so it will, I don't think it will work. And go to back, here you will see click subscribe and like video and back, and I will like it and go to back, and it will load. And here you will see 10 point coins plus. I have 10 coin plus it, and I will show you in here back main screen. And here you will see I have got in 10 coins. And you want to, you are can come in your channel YouTube subscriber, then you need to go, I will show you, wait until. And here you will see camping, tap on camping here, and you need to enter your account YouTube channel. Here you will see you need to enter your YouTube channel number link here, and tap on search. Then here you will see your YouTube channel link has been come. You need to, how do you think how to give our YouTube channel link, then go on here, you will see, tap on here in big screen, and tap on this main screen. Here you will see that, and you will go on here and tap on three dots, here you will see, and then share link, tap on here. And then you need to copy it, your YouTube channel link, and then go to that apps, and then paste it. And here you will see my channel has been already come in. We, how much you have coin and how many you need subscriber. I have 10 coins, so invaluable number, because 10 coin is not available from come for maximum user. You need 3 minute 5 maximum, or 1000 points you need. And tap on here, and then OK it. And I have an low coin, so I don't need to I don't have a do for this. So you will get coin for favor, then go and here, then see views, and then you need to do it for so easy and fast. Friends, thank you for watching, and like and subscribe my channel.